Okay, good evening. We are at Imtex Forming 2016 and we are at the stall of Lantec Software. We have with us Mr. Muralidhar who heads Lantec in India. Hello, Mr. Muralidhar.
Hello.
Muralidhar, tell us what have you got specially for Imtex Forming 2016?
Lantec has always been a special software,
Right.
and for this event, we have a solution where we integrate the whole plant. I mean, all these years people talk about the cutting, laser, punching, and other things. Apparently, every industry is filled with many different type of variety of technological machines, and this time we integrate the whole plant as if that is where our edges, and we have been really successful in that, and that is the key motto of this event. And you can see on the backdrop, we see this is where every manufacturing industry have a different technological machines, and we integrate it as a whole from their CAD to the code. That's the Lantec Manager, and the most advanced solution is Lantec Integra that goes to the higher end manufacturing companies, and Manager is the one which will suit to the medium scale and a bit higher scale. Yes, of course. With this Integra and all, we integrate the whole plant from their banking or from their input sourcing to the delivery. But Manager is the one which would integrate with their manufacturing, with their planning, as well for the costing.
So are some of the people who are exhibiting here
Hmm.
using your software already?
See, Lantec, as a is a software partner for more than 100 OEMs. There are quite many. You can see Euromac here. You can see quite many in the hall 1 and 2, where we are the legitimate software partners for them. You can see LVD there, in the hall 2. Apart from it, we directly sell it in India. I mean, we also commercialize the software in India, and we work with more than 400 customers in Indian subcontinent. And this is our 13th year in India, and we hope good things to come in future.
How's been the last 1 year for you? People have been saying that the market's very tough, very challenging. So how's it been for you?
It's been really excellent for us. Yeah, we happen to add more key customers from railways to construction equipment to hydro, and we only deal with the higher end customers. Perhaps that is where we can expect a big value to our solution as well. It makes a lot of sense for us to focus on them. Apparently, for us, we are expecting the Indian market to be more sophisticated, where we can approach them with Manager kind of solution, which will be an entry level for them to integrate with their SAP or ERP or any other ERP softwares, oracles, with their manufacturing. And that is what the biggest lacking we have in Indian market.
Typically, say if I am an SME
Hmm.
and I come with a typical Indian mindset, I would say, yeah, मेरे पास already SAP है, ERP है. Why would I go for manager? So what would be your answer?
See, Manager is not an ERP software. I mean, sorry, not a kind of ERP what you are talking about. Perhaps Manager is the one which would integrate with your ERP, with your existing ERP, with your manufacturing. Now, what will happen is, I get some data from some customer, and for me to revert back with the costing and expected, how I'm going to deliver it, I will take 3-4 days, to even generate a costing. What will happen with Lantec Manager is, it will instantly generate the actual proposal with the correct costing, with your manufacturing time, what would be your lead time, what would be your cost, and what is your inventory required, what is your raw materials required. This will generate the instant data, and it will integrate with your SAP. The SAP will do the planning, and Lantec Manager will pull the data, and it will generate the nesting parameters and give you the actual data. Now you can decide what I'm going to add on to this, what is my profit, what is my costing, and eventually you will get the output. Now what will happen, people design, people manufacture. I have sent it to my manufacturing, whether it has really cut in the manufacturing, whether this manufacturing part has happened or not, who knows. Again, somebody should go to the shop floor, find out everything. ये part कटा है क्या, ये part कटा है क्या. I mean, that is not required at all. See, once you generate the manufacturing, it will go and validate itself from the manufacturing कि my required production was this for today, it has been done, and what is my rejection or what is my delay. So you always the management will know मेरे company में अभी what is happening in my company now. That's the key. Not everyone can offer this kind of solution.
Gives a very transparent kind of visibility to
It's the process, sir. It's the validation. That these all these things will help in the yield of the company. If your yield is there, you're always unique from the crowd.
Particularly when you're talking about digital India, make in India, I think this will play a big role there, right?
Not only that,
Huh.
perhaps we are addressing the key pain areas of the no, not the basic pain areas of every manufacturing.
Okay.
If you are in the manufacturing industry, there's a lot of pains. For pain, we are offering the solutions, and we are filling the gaps. When this gap is filled, you obviously you are your way is smooth, so you don't need to have a lot of bottlenecks and other things. We are absolutely a solution-oriented company. We give only solutions, and product line is something which will be a standard. Perhaps there's a lot of modifications, customization, which will be added to that. When I talk about manager, every organization has a unique way of process and approach. So we manager adapts to that. Lantec manager is a solution which adapts to every kind of process. Okay, when you ask me for give me this kind of solution, we already have it. Okay, can I have the deviation in that? Yes, absolutely. We can take you through the deviation. Some people have, they want to understand I'm going to do this part. What is the next level happening on this part? So that is where my solutions are.
Okay, thank you so much for this information. I'm sure our readers will find it very interesting. Yep, thanks.